Hi, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, 2025, Richmond Auctions will be selling a little over 100 collector cars, many of them at no reserve, including this here. This is something that nobody else has on Earth. This is the 1951 Cadillac convertible that was used by Princess Elizabeth on her 36-day tour of Canada. She went from Ottawa, Quebec, Calgary, St. John's, and many other towns and cities in Canada in this car on her tour of Canada. And again, it's nicely restored, ready to drive and run. It's nicely, it's configured to drive pretty much every day, but it is a parade car. With that said, it has the royal ensign on the front, the flag there, which was used on the day of the parade. Also on the dashboard is a brass commemorative plaque that's engraved with the fact that this was used in that parade. Also, it comes with several 8x10 pictures showing the car in use on the parade. So you'll have no explaining to do. With that said, this is the only one of its kind on the planet. Again, it was used on a 36-day tour with Princess Elizabeth, and this is the parade car from that tour. Enjoy the car in your collection or at a social event. It's a great example. Again, it's ready to run and drive. And again, the roof on this car is a one-off. It's not from Cadillac. This is something that has a clear panel here, which was installed in case the tour encountered inclement weather, rain or anything like that. So the princess could be seen while touring, but not get her hair wet. So bid strong. It's the only one of its kind. It belongs in your collection.